All right. Let's do the last part, which is the footer. But before we do that, let's choose an ellipse and draw it over this. So choose a color. I'll look for something pinkish and make it linear. Um, Something like this. Yeah, something like this. Oops. Sent backward. Sent to back. Okay, good. Then we can duplicate. Ctrl D. All right. We sent to back. Oops. Ctrl Z. Something like this, and then we can, all these things are just minor designs that you yourself, you could choose something different. So we can draw this and give it a dark background. I'm choosing colors, alright, just playing around with whatever I can find with respect to the colors. Yeah, I'm just playing around. Yeah, let's look at what it looks like so far. So this looks like the footer, and the footer we can then start putting links. The first link will be called links. Okay, links zoomed will be okay, just white. Make it white. Oops, select Ctrl A, make it white. Okay, good. Then we have some links like home, about, contacts, bookings, whatever. It's okay. The size is too much, so we'll put it at 25. Why is it bold? It's not supposed to be bold. Let's see what it looks like regular. Okay, and the color gray, and that's it. Now we need a vertical line. We'll select line here, so we'll draw a vertical line. Oops, Ctrl Z. So we'll select line, then we'll draw. Okay, now that line we want to make it thicker. The fill is supposed to be white. Now the stroke is supposed to be 3. Stroke color is white. Okay, now we don't want it to be touching the extreme, so somewhere here is okay. Perfect. So we can duplicate this line and say Ctrl D, then we'll drag. Fine. So we can group everything here. Group. Let me zoom in so I can get these things well. Okay, group. Ctrl G. Then Ctrl D. We've duplicated it, so bring the second one here, and then Ctrl D again. Get the third link here. So we can zoom in, make this so we can reduce its height. Yeah. Then we can write all rights reserved 2020 2021 Dave Partner at copyright. Whatever is all the thing you want to write there, I just did mine, and then we can whiten it, make it a little 80%, little faint. I think 50%. Yeah, 50%. Somewhere around 60 is okay. Then the font size seems too big, 23. Might be 8. Good. So one link, let's double click and Ctrl D this, bring it to this place, bring it forward, bring the font, oops, bring forward. It's not working. Let's keep it here first, then we'll find this guy. So basically I clicked on this, then I found it here. Then when I click on this, when I click on this, I just know that I have to drag it. So I've brought it here. So the fill color is white, and this, there is a little, this guy should be darker. Yeah, the fill color should be darker. Okay. We need a button that says subscribe. The button is 10 here, and the fill color might be green. This not stroke now, but effects. Yes. Then the text might say subscribe. The text needs to be bold, and the text needs to be white. Oops, I have to highlight it. The text needs to be white. Okay, good. So finally we need a text that says subscribe to our newsletter. Okay, now this needs to be white, and we're good. Just before then, zoom in. So this is good. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a nice website, workable, but if you look at it, you see some very design concept mistakes, in the sense that even though the colors flowed between blue, green, and shades of green, at the bottom I introduced red from nowhere, and then I introduced this other shade of blue, which is wrong in design. So in design, it's advised that you should maintain at least 3 different colors. At the bottom, I should have used this color with its gradient here, or I should have used a green, a shade of green, and red has no place in this design, so I should have used green background here. Alright, so in your own case, find out what works for you and use it. Alright. Just find out. This is the kind of thing I should have done. You understand? Instead of using introducing red, it should have stayed green. Alright, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial on building a website with Figma. What you can do if you want to export is here. You just click export. Click export. Now if you want to build other pages, you just duplicate, click here, and then you duplicate like so. Ctrl D. You see, it's duplicate now, and then you can build the extra pages, but I'll do Ctrl Z. Then if you want to prototype, you click here to prototype. Okay, now let's try export. Export here. There's a preview button if you want to preview what you want to export, but otherwise you just export it. Alright, thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the red subscribe button below so that anytime I make a new video, you'll be the first to get the notification. And make sure you turn on the notification and refer this course to people so that they will take a very well thought out Figma courses. Alright, thank you very much, guys. See you.